Icct be testing the $9 to $10 range in the upcoming week, or is this a ticker which has already ran its course and starting next week it will see a lot of red? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to yet another no BS price prediction. Today we're going to be discussing Icct and where I see this ticker heading from here out. Now, mind you, I need to be clear about this. I was the person that told you guys that the stock was overextended at $1. Stock right now is at $6. Okay, so with that said, right, I'm not always right, right? So take everything I say with a grain of salt, right? And just remember that at the end of the day, trading is all about percentages. And personally, I have about a 80% win rate, which means 20% of the time I'm wrong. 20% of the time might seem like a small slick of time, right? Sliver of time. But the reality is that, you know, out of the year of trading with 20% lose rate and an 80% win rate, there are 50 trading days that I lose money. Okay, there are 50 trading days that I'm wrong about things, right? So remember, and that's with the 80% win rate. You don't believe I have an 80% win rate? Head down below, look at the website. There's an 80% win rate there for you, okay? Now, shows all my trades and everything like that. It's there. Okay, it's close. Okay, I lied. It's like 78%. It's like 78%, okay? It's like some close to 80. We'll just round it up, 80, all right? Just give me 80, guys. 80 just sounds so much better. Anyways. Talk about Icct and what I see Icct heading. Listen, guys, Icct is a loose cannon, okay? Icct is a loose cannon. I think that when it comes to trading Icct, it's given us a lot of trading opportunities, right? Massive swings to the upside, massive swings to the downside, massive swings to the upside, massive swings to the downside, massive swings to the upside, massive swings to the upside, right? Over and over and over again. So I would say that this is one of those tickers that is a lot better to be day traded than actually going to go ahead and swing trading it, right? Take a sip of my coffee, right? Just because of the volatility it offers you. And you never know on what given day is going to give us a day like this where it's just out and over down 30%, 40%, right? Like you just don't know what day that's going to be. So for you to think of it as a swing trade opportunity, I think it's absolutely wrong, right? And this is why I think that if you're holding the sticker over the weekend, like it's kind of crazy, right? But the reality is that it's crazy both bullish and crazy bearish, right? Because anything, again, nothing is off the table when it comes to a ticker like Icct. Mind you guys, the reason why Icct is running is because they owe their lenders a lot of money, and their lenders are actually going to go ahead and liquidate all their assets in order to get their money back. You heard that right. The company is pretty much going bankrupt. So that's why the stock is running the way it's running. And I'll tell you guys something as well. When it comes to a swing trade perspective, you don't really want to be holding this ticker for multi-day runs because you never know, sooner than later, the company is going to come out with bankruptcy news and the stock is just going to be down 50%, 60%, okay? So just take that with a grain of, like, you know, just remember that, right? Like, remember what I just said, right? The company's running, guys, because they're announcing that they're selling everything that they own to pay back a loan that they borrowed. Do you think this company has a chance of going bankrupt, or do you think this is a company that's going to announce dilution soon, which is pretty much, you know, a mini bankruptcy? The effects it has, the stock would be down 30, 40%? Yes, right? Yes. So why would you hold this stock for multiple days, right? Now, I know it's the weekend. A lot of you guys are like, Sam, nice. You're telling us this now. You're telling us this on a weekend. Really, Sam? You couldn't make this video yesterday? No, I couldn't make this video yesterday because I was trading yesterday. In fact, here's another thing. If you have over $30,000 and you want to trade with me, you don't have to pay me. Fun fact, you don't have to pay me. All you have to do is fill down the form below, and if you are someone who we're looking forward to trade alongside with, you are welcome to join the team. However, this is how it works. I give you a complete strategy. I trade with you. I tell you what to buy. I tell you what to sell. I tell you when to buy it. I tell you when to sell it. And at the end of every single month, whatever profit we made together, you give me a 20% cut. That's it. I think that creates a win-win incentive instead of a monthly subscription because, again, right, I don't need to charge you guys a monthly subscription, right? I think when you look at my, you know, when you look at the results that our members have been seeing, you realize that, you know, like, I don't need to, like, people are making money in our community, right? And I think that it's unfair to charge somebody, you know, upfront for something that they don't know yet, right? Like, they don't really know what's gonna happen and everything like that, right? But yeah, no, we've been absolutely kicking ass, guys, in our community. We had one of our biggest wins ever this month, right? Shout out Conan, he brought in $114,000. This was off of CSAI, and yeah, exciting stuff. $7,000 there, and then $6,000 over here, right? 561%, $2,000 over there, right? Yeah, 41K over here for Bigabees, and I missed the big one as well, 44K on the day for Hummingbird, right? Trading with us. So check it out, guys. Check it out if you guys are interested. The link is in the comment section and description. Again, we don't just work with anyone, right? We actually we want to work with people who know what the fuck is going on, right? Like people who are not necessarily know what the fuck is going on, but people who we're going to be getting into a partnership together, right? And I don't want to deal with people who are, you know, maybe impolite, don't have good manners. Again, right? It's kind of like hiring for a job. So apply down below. If you do meet the criteria, we'll give you a ring, whether it's through, you know, WhatsApp, whether it's through an email, whatever it may be, okay? And we'll contact you through there, and we'll get you set up and we'll get you going, okay? Now, when it comes to everything else regarding CSAI, again, man, it, it, don't hold it overnight. Don't hold this shit overnight, man. I'm telling you guys this right now. Don't hold this stock overnight. This is not a stock you want to hold overnight. This is a stock that you want to day trade because it does give us a lot of day trading opportunities, right? I mean, these intraday swings, man. These intraday swings are nuts. They're insane, right? So, but at the end of the day, you got to be mindful of, hey, this is a ticking time bomb. The company's going to announce some massive news soon that's going to either include dilution or a complete bankruptcy. Okay, there's that. So without further ado, guys, thank you for watching. Happy business in trading. Do apply down below if you guys are interested to work with me one-on-one. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.